I am Waqas Nasir and I welcome you to Jali Talk Show. She's a splendid woman. She's an educationist, an influencer, a fitness trainer, a loyal friend, and a powerhouse of a human being. She makes everything interesting and beautiful. You don't like to exercise? She'll make you dance. और भंगड़ा और Bollywood dance numbers तो इनके favorite हैं. If you are the person who doesn't like dieting, she'll make you your favorite meal, and surprisingly, you won't even gain weight. And if you're running out of the ideas to stylize your old clothes, then hello, Zara Ahmed is there. But what keeps her on the go? How she stays positive, how she lights up everyone's life. In this interview, she'll give you an insight to all of these little details, and she will share a little bit more. Assalamu alaikum, Zara. How are you?
Walaikum assalam. I am excited.
I am nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Zara, because I have been following you काफ़ी देर पहले से. I have known you as an educator. I have known you as a fitness instructor. I cannot even speak. That's how much nervous I am.
नहीं, you're doing
I have known you as the person who was in Rabt. You have been associated with a lot of stuff, and you have done a lot of amazing work. And जहाँ पे you have been to, you have left a mark, and people know you. They remember you. क्योंकि जब भी मुझे interview करना था ना, I contacted your friends.
You did.
I did.
That is very sneaky.
From BDC, from your childhood, and from your adulthood, I would call that.
Right.
And I got really good reviews, and that's why I formed all the questions.
That is so much hard work. Thank you for putting in the effort. You actually dig deep.
I did, because I am telling you, I was nervous. I was like, okay, I'm going to interview Zara Ahmed. So Zara, you recently got married.
I did. Alhamdulillah.
Congratulations.
बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत शुक्रिया.
So I actually want to ask you that you were wearing orange lehenga, right?
I was wearing a red lehenga which appeared orange thanks to some amazing photographers who kind of did a really good job in drawing the
I
colors.
actually knew that. I just wanted to
Just
hear
pinch
you
me?
say. Yeah, I just wanted to hear you say that. What happened?
Yeah, it was just terrible editing, which is why I keep posting my phone की photo, or the other photographer, he kind of took nice photos. You can see the colors. जो जाजिब की photos आई थी उसमें सिर्फ जाजिब की शक्ल नजर आ रही है, गर्दन ये वो कुछ इतना उसमें उसको चिट्टा और सफेद कर दिया.
The shots that you shared.
Yeah.
उसके अंदर कुछ मतलब देख रहा था कि okay, ये shot है किस चीज़ का?
Yeah.
What is that person trying to focus on?
Exactly. They were so disoriented and
yes.
Ajeeb, but yeah. I mean, it's history, so I have moved on.
So now you have moved on to a married life.
I have.
I actually want to know how is the transition going? How does that feel to be married?
You know, right now, कोई सुने ना सुने, my husband must be listening very carefully कि ये क्या कहने लगी है. Yeah, honestly, the transition, I think I can't put one word to it. ठीक है. Some days are great.
Yes.
Some days are more of a learning experience sort, because चीज़ें फ़र्क हैं. But in my case, I knew from the start that whatever the transition is going to be, I was very excited to get married to this person. I love him so much. So with the transition also, I'm learning a lot about myself. The transition has been smooth because my partner is great.
Yes.
And he made sure that the transition is nice and easy for me. He has been there throughout for me. So now I feel more settled, because the households are very different.
Yes.
The living style is very different. But one thing that I've learned is that it's such a nice difference. There's no right and wrong to it, right?
It's just experience.
It's just a different system of living all together, and I love there are bits and pieces of it which are so new for me, and I love it.
From all your stories that I religiously follow,
Thank you.
I have been seeing you guys are cooperating in everyday life in such a beautiful way. There are little bits, and you are collaborating and cooperating with each other.
Yeah.
You're frying something, you inaugurated air fryer recently.
We did
at
4 a.m. in the morning. Yes.
What did you make?
We made nuggets and samosa. हमारा दिल चाह रहा था जाजिब कुछ फ्राइड खाना था.
Nuggets.
We might have some nuggets that we can get for you.
Okay, I wasn't asking for it, but I won't say no, but that's fine. So as I said that I know some of your friends, and they used few words to quote you, and I would name those words ambitious, empathetic, perceptive, and caring. ठीक है? So sometimes do you feel pressure to be good? Like sometimes do you feel like that you might disappoint your friends or the people around you, and sometimes you might disappoint your own self? How do you deal with that?
You know, that's actually a really good question. I thought मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि I am always myself, चाहे वो मैं जो भी version अपनी present कर रही हूँ. So I am more than comfortable to be the messy me, or you know, putting my best foot forward. But when I took therapy, my therapist made me realize that my friendships a few years ago, they were very horizontal, because I would always put the best side of me forward very unintentionally, and I would never let them be there for me, but I would always be there for them. Like I wouldn't let them in. But through therapy I discovered that all my relationships need to be more vertical. So अब मुझे लगता है कि there is no pressure. Now I don't feel the pressure. Maybe at some point I did, I don't recall it, but now I've become so self-aware कि I don't think I am trying to be someone all the time. It just comes very naturally to me. बस मेरी जान रुक जाती है when I see somebody going through a difficult time, and I just put myself in their shoes कि what would I need, yeah, what would work for me. So I don't know, it's just who I am. There's no pressure attached to it.
Well, that's great. So Zara, like I actually want to ask you, and that's one of your friends who actually posed that question, and I've written it in here. Have you ever felt disappointed in yourself?
Never.
Never?
Never. You know, now, you know, as I'm growing older, I take a lot of time in reflecting on who I was, who I am, my own journey, just to kind of, you know, add bits and pieces to my journey. And मैंने actually realized here कि I have made a lot of blunders. I have always followed my heart. I have done things which initially my family
yes,
wouldn't.
We are moving towards that.
My family wouldn't approve, not because कि oh गलत से, but it was very new for them as well.
It was.
But not once in my life I have questioned my decisions, no matter what turn they took. Not once in my life I've ever gotten that feeling of regret, because वो ये होता कि मैंने किया ना, so ये इधर है या उधर है. In any case, I'll either succeed or I learn something.
Exactly. Like this is the line that you have quoted from Jab We Met. Like Kareena Kapoor said that जो भी होगा, like मुझे बताओगे मैंने किया यार.
So why would I regret it? Because every experience that I've been through, it has added something to my personality. It has paved the way for my journey. So not once. I may doubt myself. I have those moments where I'm like, मेरा उस लिहाज से self confidence बहुत कम है. Like I do underestimate myself. I do feel like sometimes कि
like an imposter.
Yeah, I'm not good enough. कि you know, when my friends tell me, oh you're so good at this particular thing, तो मुझे वक्त लगता है उस चीज़ पे यकीन करने का कि अच्छा this is my
मुझसे
shit.
तो यकीन होता भी नहीं है. But you agree to that, like you accept it. That's a good.
It has been a journey, honestly, and I've been so lucky to be surrounded by people who keep reminding me that. So कभी भी disappoint में नहीं हुई. That I think, yeah, I've never been disappointed.
And you have amazing friends, and
I am
trust
so
me,
blessed.
you are blessed.
I am blessed.
Mashallah, and like
I have a great
touch
support
wood.
system. Yeah, touch wood. A great support system.
So, Zara, like as you said, like you've always been nice to everyone. So, do you feel like you are making yourself vulnerable at some point, like when you're being very nice to the people, that you are exposing too much of your good side to them?
No, I'm so glad over the past 2-3 years, again through my work experiences, through my support group, and in particular through therapy, I have gotten very comfortable with being vulnerable. So मुझे लगता है कि अब I am like so comfortable putting everything on the table. And that has helped a lot in my relationship with my husband. Like we've had some really difficult conversations in the first month of our marriage.
Yeah.
And I love that vulnerability, because I've noticed that now that I am so vulnerable, regardless how nice I am or how messy I am, but the vulnerability wala aspect, I've noticed that my husband has also gotten comfortable with that idea that he is now more open as a person. So I am a big fan of being vulnerable. मुझे कोई मसला नहीं होता. I like honest conversations. I like raw experiences. Because otherwise, what's the point if you're not connecting at core with the other person? तो फिर क्यों? तो मैं स्मॉल टॉक नहीं करती. आई एम अ नाइस पर्सन, बट मैं इतने दोस्त भी नहीं बनाती, बिकॉज मुझे surface level, shallow level conversations नहीं पसंद. If I want to sit and have a conversation, I will have that through and through, and I will share bits of myself, because why not? That's how you connect with human beings.
Oh my god, like am I like looking into a mirror?
You can relate to it?
I can relate to it, but the point is that I don't think my journey has been that much smooth. But like this is about you, so we'll talk about that after the interview. So Zara, you got your degree in political science and economics.
Yes.
And then you switched to education.
Yes.
And you were doing the fitness training for AimFit as well.
Yes.
Like you were the lead.
Yes.
So you have literally danced your way through everything in your life. So I actually wanted to ask you what made you switch to education,
Right.
and what did you think like this is the thing I can impart to this sector, and that is this thing that is lacking here.
So I think one thing that kind of triggered me, that inspired me, was when I was in my second year at LUMS. One of my friends told me about this internship कि छुट्टियां हैं, चलो सर्टिफिकेट मिल जाएगा, फन करेंगे. एंड ही टोल्ड मी अबाउट दिस अमेजिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बाय द नेम रप्ट. उससे पहले कोई लेना देना नहीं था एजुकेशन सेक्टर के साथ. एंड माई रिलेशनशिप विद एजुकेशन वॉज वेरी डिफरेंट. वॉज लाइक मार खा के पढ़े हैं हम लोग बचपन से, एंड द एकेडमिक प्रेशर्स, यू नो द ड्रिल, ब्राउन किड से जो ज़िंदगी होती है. एंड आई रिमेंबर आई जस्ट रैंडमली अप्लाइड हेयर जस्ट बिकॉज कुछ है नहीं करने को, यही कर लेते हैं. And I attended the training, and Imran Sarwar, who's the founder of RUP, an amazing mentor, he was there. And it's just the way he conducted the training and the way that experience was created, the entire fellowship, it was so different from what I had seen. I was like, अच्छा इस तरह भी हम सीख सकते हैं प्यार से बात करके, activities के through that.
And like about Imran Sarwar, I have heard a lot of things.
All the good things?
All the good things, and I'm surprised, like after Edhi and Zara Ahmed, like he's the person who's loved by all.
No, before me, you know what? Imran has inspired so many people in his own way, very silently. He's not somebody you will notice in his room. You can't. He won't take a lot of verbal space, a lot of space when he's in crowd.
But aura?
he has this magic. He'll just say this one line which will stay with you, or this one thought which will, kickstart that process for you. So for me, RUP changed my life. That organization, it is so close to my heart. वो पहली fellowship जो मैंने 3 हफ्ते का summer camp किया, बस उसके बाद ऐसी एडिक्शन आई वुड से लगी इस चीज़ के साथ, वो चस्का मुझे लगा स्कूल्स में जाना, सीखना, अनलर्न करना, ट्रेनिंग्स, एंड देन द पीपल आई मेट थ्रू दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई वाज लाइक, अच्छा ऐसे लोग भी हैं दुनिया में, ये कौन लोग हैं. सो आई रिमेंबर आई वुड रियली एंजॉय स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद देम. And then ever since then, फिर बस I became so active, and then they started giving me more and more opportunities. Trainings कराई, workshops कराई, I improved, I grew, and I was like, okay, this is what I'm good at. And AimFit तो भाई, it just happened out of nowhere. I was in my final year.
Yes.
मेरा final exam था. नाचने का मुझे बचपन से बहुत शौक है. Like that's how I express myself.
Yes.
I remember I never walked. I would dance when I would move from one room to another. So that's me.
और फिर वो वाली वाइब आती होगी लाइक बचपन के अंदर नच पली और आजा नचने लगा करता
था.
भाई
ऑफ कोर्स मैं इतने वर्चुअल डांस शोज होस्ट करने अपने भाई के साथ, या परफॉर्मर बार आती रहती थी कॉस्ट्यूम्स बनाने. एंड देन रैंडमली लिटरली एग्जाम से एक रात पहले मैं फेसबुक स्क्रॉल कर रही थी, तो फेसबुक के ऊपर बस मैंने AimFit का ऐड पढ़ा था दैट दे आर डूइंग दिस ऑडिशन. अगले दिन मेरा फाइनल था, एंड इट वाज क्लैशिंग विद द ऑडिशन. एंड आई हैड टू मेक द चॉइस. बस 2 घंटे का एग्जाम था, उसी 1 घंटे में ऑडिशन था, तो हमने 1 घंटे में अपना एग्जाम निपटाया. हमने कहा पास तो हो जाना है, ग्रेजुएट तो कर जाना है. GPA वैसे तबाह हुआ था वो, और कितना तबाह होता. So I just did my exam for the sake of it, and I rushed to the studio and I gave my audition, and since then I've just been so lucky that I just grew in that organization.
Well, that's a bit, and now it's like 5 years or 4?
It's been 4 years. 2017 में मैंने join किया था.
And you've been rocking. You've been acing it, I would say. Like
thank you.
All the sessions are really great. I haven't attended because like that's for women only.
Yeah.
So we're not allowed. But like they're amazing sessions. Like from your stories.
बहुत शुक्रिया.
So Zara, you multitask a lot.
I do.
Right.
Yeah.
And I think that is the reason your wardrobe is very much organized. Your kitchen cabinets are very much organized.
I try.
Your jewelry is pretty much organized.
Thank you for noticing.
The stories.
Yeah, they have. I can see they've given you a lot of information.
Yeah. So I actually want to know, like, do you plan your life as well? Like all the things that have happened in your life, did you plan them, or they just happened? They just came out of nowhere, or like have you planned your life ahead yet?
I think it has been a mix of both. The reason I'm able to multitask is because I only do things which I love. एंड आई हैव बीन समबडी हु ऑलवेज फॉलो हर हार्ट. मेरा बहुत ही एक स्ट्रॉन्ग ना फेथ को रिलेटेड ये होता है कि जब काम के ऊपर या पर्सनल लाइफ में कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी आती है ना, तो आई जस्ट गेट दिस गट फीलिंग कि ये कर लो. एंड चाहे उसमें उसकी कोई सर पैर लॉजिक ना बन रही हो, आई ऑलवेज फील कि इट्स अ सिग्नल फ्रॉम अल्लाह. I always follow my heart, which is why I think it has been easy for me to manage or juggle multiple things because मुझे वो feel नहीं होता कि बहुत सारी हैं.
Yeah, because like you have been doing a lot of stuff and it seems very smooth.
It does, and honestly उससे मेरा कोई कमाल नहीं है. I always say I've been so blessed. मुझे I think at every point in my life या तो लोग ऐसे मिल गए in the past 4-5 years who paved different ways for me, चाहे वो काम के ऊपर था या पर्सनल लाइफ थी, या फिर बस एक्सपीरियंसेस ने इतना सिखा दिया था कि बस वो एक साइन आता था कि यार ये चीज़ ना मे बी गॉड वांट्स मी टू मूव हियर, सो लेट्स मूव हियर. एंड दे वर ऑलवेज or mostly very unconventional choices which didn't make sense to my parents or a lot of my friends, which I think a lot of us can also relate to कि हमने जो career paths choose किए हैं they don't make sense. But I multitask because those things come naturally to me. I don't have to put in the effort. I just love doing them. That's why.
That's good.
So planning होती है, but बहुत सारी चीज़ें organically हो जाती हैं.
Well, that's good. So Zara, what is the biggest risk that you have taken in your life, and was it worth it? Did it work out? If you could take that risk again, would you? I think that risk was like 1 घंटे का पेपर लम्स का.
नहीं, पढ़ाई को लेके मैंने कभी टेंशन नहीं ली. वो जो होता है हो जाएगा. पढ़ाई को लेके कभी टेंशन नहीं ली. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू लाइक आई हैव एन आंसर टू इट, बट आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि इफ इट फॉल्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ रिस्क. So because my understanding of risk or how I define it as a person would be कि something which was a difficult decision or something that received a lot of friction and I did it regardless because I took a leap of faith or because so that's is that what
it is a risk because I was actually going to ask you that have you felt resistance in your life?
Oh, a lot in every aspect of my life. क्योंकि जो आपने सवाल पूछा है उसमें अगर मैं अपने पुराने 4-5 साल देखूँ जिसमें जो सबसे बड़ा रिस्क या जिस पे सबसे ज़्यादा फ्रिक्शन मुझे मिली थी was my choice of who I want to get married to. Because Jazib and I, we go a long way back, but when we decided to get married, there was a lot of friction for the social factors जो होते हैं, family scale.
Yes.
And that 1 year was like, it was a roller coaster ride. 1.5 year. It was a great learning experience. But उसमें ये था कि from every aspect, corner of my life, except for my friends, I received a lot of resistance. I received a lot of questions, and this especially is this the right decision? So that was implanted in my head कि ये तुम सही decision ले रही हो, तुम regret ना करना ये, तुम सोच लो, तुमने यही करना है.
Oh my God.
So for me that was.
So we all have been through that question. Like सोच लो, ये decision ले रहे हो तो.
फिर वापस नहीं हो सकता ये अब ये सोच लो इसी से करनी है. So ये जो सवाल था ना, I think that is the only thing that qualifies इस सवाल का जवाब.
Yes.
उसके अलावा वो तो रेगुलर चलती रहती हैं, but I think this was like one of the toughest ones.
Well, that is actually good. And Zara, like I said that before, and I have been repeating that constantly. Like you're an amazing lady, and like you have done so much amazing work in your life. So I actually want to ask you that in your life, what is that one person, one personality, living or dead, who has influenced you, who has inspired you the most, and like who you look up to?
I can't name one. Because there are few people जिनकी बहुत different personality sides ने मेरी personality को different तरीकों से. Yes, so to name a few, Imran, right?
Yeah.
He kind of inspired me to follow this line of work and to follow this journey. ठीक है. Then there are some of my friends who just inspire me to be this amazing person because one of my friend Umam, you need to meet her. She is a completely different person. I don't even think. Umam Shah, ठीक है. जितना मैं उस औरत से या उस लड़की से सीखती हूँ ना, I can't even tell you in words. Then there is another person, Qasim, my previous workplace, the CEO, Qasim Aslam.
नहीं वो दूसरा है, sorry.
हाँ. He has taught me a lot.
Okay.
In my personal life as well as professional life, he's a great friend, and because of him मैंने पिछले 2 सालों में बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें सीखी हैं. And मेरी decision making में काफ़ी improvement आई. I learned to take my stance. I learned to be who I am in front of everybody. So इस तरह से then Jazib has inspired me in a lot of ways. He does that every single day. The clarity of mind he has.
I actually heard about that too.
कि
And not from you,
अच्छा,
from the people.
ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. Everybody is his fan. I'm so lucky like that. But yeah, so to answer your question, I can't name one person. I very consciously also surround myself with people who can teach me something new. So उस तरह से जो मेरा circle है, I always kind of get attracted to people who can add something to my personalities, you know, who can help me grow. So मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों ने inspire किया in different ways, in my personal life, in my professional life, both.
Well, that is actually good. And Zara, like when you were growing up, so I actually want to ask you that what this Zara would tell that Zara to do or not to do, and what that Zara would tell this Zara to do or not to do.
ये तो बेहद मुश्किल सवाल हो गया. ये ना हम वो करते हैं ना अक्सर वर्कशॉप्स में लाइफ मैप वाली एक्टिविटी, जिसमें आप रिफ्लेक्ट करते
Like
हैं और
it
आप
just came to mind, and that is just because of the life map वाली activity.
आपके सारे इमोशंस से उभर के बाहर आ जाते हैं. What would I tell her? Stop feeling so guilty all the time. I think this is currently my biggest life struggle. मैं जाज़ब को कहती हूँ मेरा नाम guilty में रख लेती हूँ. I feel so, I just carry a lot of guilt as a person. And I'm still trying to understand where it comes from. And as I was growing up, I remember कि बाकी emotions मुझे नहीं याद as a child. But जो guilt वाला emotion था वो मैं हर वक्त carry करती थी. The guilt that I'm disappointing my parents, the guilt that I'm doing something wrong with my friends, the guilt कि मैं अगर एक वो decision ले रही हूँ which is not approved by my parents or it doesn't fall into that category, I'm not being a good daughter. The guilt of disappointing someone, like मेरे लिए concept बहुत foreign था कि अगर दो लोग disagree कर रहे हैं तो that's okay. I don't have to feel guilty. So I would tell this to myself कि listen, don't feel so guilty all the time. It is exhausting. It is so draining. It's okay to have disagreements. It's okay if people don't understand your decisions. कोई मसला नहीं है, ज़िंदगी नहीं ख़त्म होगी. And what would I tell myself in this age? क्या बताऊंगी? इतना मत सोचा करो कभी कभी. आई यूज्ड टू बी अ वेरी वेरी केयर फ्री पर्सन, बट आई फील लाइक अभी एक जो कॉन्स्टेंट फीडबैक मुझे ज़्यादा से मिलता है अक्सर कि डोंट थिंक टू मच इनटू इट. इतना परेशान मत हो कि अगला वो एम्पैथी ना कभी कभी बियॉन्ड अ सर्टेन लाइन वो मुझे हार्म करने लग जाती है. You know, you need to draw the internal boundaries.
That's why I wanted to ask you. That's why I asked you that. Like, do you think like that vulnerability, like, is that worth it? And then you actually said that, कि like, ठीक है, it's worth it, and you are like welcoming that emotion of vulnerability.
Yes. But yeah, no, thank you for highlighting that. Sometimes it does impact me. I have very recently learned this concept of drawing internal boundaries. कि जब आप किसी से empathize कर रहे हो तो don't let that take a toll on you, or don't let that make you feel bad about yourself. तो वो मुश्किल है, and that is right now that is something that I am struggling with.
Because self-reflection becomes self-criticism, and
it does.
It's very difficult to deal with that self-criticism.
It's a vicious cycle.
Because you are reflecting on yourself, but sometimes during that reflection you just try to degrade yourself, और आपको पता भी नहीं चलता.
Yes, you're literally reading my mind. ऐसा ही है. That is so true.
So Zara, I actually want to ask you, and that is a signature question of my show, and that is the last question, and I'm not happy that it's ending.
मुश्किल सवाल तो नहीं है?
It's not mushkil.
Okay.
But you can add a lot of insight to it.
Okay.
What is that thing that keeps you bright in the darkest of times?
Oh wow. Do I have to name one?
Like, you can name as many as you want. You can name as many experiences you want. You can name as many people. You can name a thing or your cat.
हाँ, मैं ये लगी थी. Let me just categorize them in my head, because I know I can categorize them.
Okay, like it's a long list. Like you're categorizing.
It's not a long list, but yeah, let me just add some order and
like,
planning to it.
Yeah, you organize every step. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, number one, I never let go of this thing कि जो दिल कर रहा है ना, ये जो gut feeling आ रही है, the whole aspect of faith, religion. I know मेरा बहुत off and on relationship रहता है. There are things that I want to do, but then life happens and I get deviated. But it never leaves my mind. This thing कि ये जो भी हो रहा है मेरी ज़िंदगी में या होगा, like तवक्कुल I think is the right word for. मुझे पता है it is going to work out eventually. Like I have a very strong faith कि whatever I'm going through, whatever I will go through, it is all meant for a reason. और ये बस मेरे लिए बेहतर है.
Okay.
And that thought, that यकीन really gets me through everything. मुझे यकीन होता है कि ये मेरे लिए बेहतर है. I don't question it कि मेरे साथ क्यों हो रहा है, या अगर कोई अच्छी चीज़ भी हो कि मेरे साथ ये क्यों हो रहा है. It's like all written, predetermined in my head. ये सब लिखा हुआ है और ये हो रहा है तो इस पे मेरे
And you
लिए
have
कोई
to deal
बेहतर.
with it.
Yeah, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे साथ कभी कुछ गलत हुआ ही नहीं है. Like that's the feeling I hold on to कि all my experiences, I just look at them in a way कि ये लिखे गए थे और ये ज़रूरी थे, ये फिट है.
And it happened in a good way.
या चाहे उससे regret का word आप लगा लें, failure, mistakes, like to me, like when I look back,
It
all
was
makes
just an experience.
yeah, it all
and you
makes
learned
sense to
something.
me, and I'm so glad it happened.
Yeah.
हर चीज़ मुझे वो उस तरह से नहीं होती. So that my faith कि you know, if God has written this for me, it is going to make sense. Everything is gonna fall into place. That keeps me, you know, on track. दूसरा, again, people, like I drive my energy from humans, right? Which is why I do the work that I do.
Okay.
The experiential training, the immersive
Yes.
experience. मुझे इंसानों, अच्छे इंसानों से energy मिलती है. So मेरे कुछ दोस्त, then my partner, and then of course my cat as well.
Where is she? Okay, like
Where
we are
is he?
deviating, but
कोई
where
बात
is he?
नहीं यार, वो घर पे है ना, दूसरे वाले घर
Yeah.
पे. वो रुखसती में साथ रुखसत नहीं हुआ because my
Okay.
parents needed him more than I needed him.
Okay.
तो और अभी हम जाजिब का relationship figure out कर रहे हैं with furry friends.
Okay.
He's getting there one day at a time. तो
I'm
हम
going to
ऐसे-
tell Jazib that Jazib, I love you so much because I'm also trying to figure out my relationship with furry friends
furry
as
friends.
well.
You guys can, you know, bond over coffee
Yeah,
at this
we
particular
can,
topic.
we
You
can.
guys can. And can you repeat the wording of your question again?
Yeah, what was that thing? What is that thing that keeps you bright in the darkest of times?
Yeah, so yeah, these two things for sure. मतलब no दूसरा सवाल.
Yeah.
Dance is also very close to my core. The movement, चाहे वो डांस की फॉर्म में, फिटनेस की फॉर्म में, या बस मैं पूरा दिन जितना एक्टिव रहती हूँ, ऊपर नीचे खाना कर लिया,
Yes.
वो कर लिया लोग. Like I like to stay
That's how you
on,
unwind.
Yeah, I like to be on the go. That gives me energy. एक दिन मुझे घर बैठना पड़ जाए ना, मुझे मौत आ जाती है.